How to sign out of your App Store or media in purchases on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the Settings page, we tap on your Apple account here. Then in here, we go down and tap on Media in Purchases. From here, tap on Sign Out. Then tap on Sign Out. Now here it says this will sign you out of Apple services like the App Store, Apple Music, Apple TV, and more. So tap on Sign Out. And that's it. Once you have signed out, you can always log back into the App Store or media and purchases with a same account or with a different account. So here tap on continue, or you can change your account, your account name. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.